Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I get my signature bun look. Just very simple and quick tutorial to kind of show you guys how I get my bun that I always wear in every video. So if you are interested in seeing how I get my signature bun look, then just keep watching. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is show you the products that I use. So it's only two products that I use to get like my signature bun, and the first product I use is by Cream of Nature, and it's this organ oil from Morocco, and it's a leave-in conditioner, but I do use it to kind of on my dry hair to kind of make it a little bit more manageable and to kind of get it give it a little bit of life so that I can comb through it. And then I also use again some argan oil of Morocco. This is by Organics, and it's just like this oil that I use after I spritz a little bit of this onto my hair to kind of get it to kind of loosen up a little bit. So that is the first thing I'm going to do, and I shake it up because this is when you don't shake this up, the oil kind of rises to the top. So yeah, so you have to shake it up, and then I just spritz it onto my hair. And I do use a generous amount of it because I do want my hair very, moisturized. It just, moisturizes my hair actually. So but yeah, so I just use a generous amount, as you can see, and then I try to get my part to where I want it. It looks kind of straight now, but I just kind of make it a little bit more straighter because my hair has been kind of in this, in this kind of position for a while. So I just kind of give myself a little bit of a neater part, and I just use like this little rat tail comb to do that. And then I just comb it down, and then I take my wide tooth comb and just comb through my hair. I don't use like any gel. I mean, you can, but I prefer not to. I use sometimes I do, depending on how much I need my hair to slick down, but I am just like freshly relaxed, so there's no need for me to put any gel in my hair. So yeah, so I just comb it through all the way, because actually I'm just now getting up out of bed, so it does need it needs to be combed a good bit. So just comb through it. And then I take some of my oil, and I also apply this again all over my hair to give it to make it shiny so it doesn't look so dull. And actually my part is not as straight as I want it, so I'm going to go back over that and try to make this part a little bit straighter. I typically only do my parts in the middle when I'm doing like a bun, but sometimes I will put it like on the side, but I prefer, here lately I just prefer it to be in the middle, like have a middle part. So again, I'm going to comb through it because I have thick hair, and I'm going to make sure that it slicks back really good before I put it in this ponytail. So I just comb through all of my hair. Alright, and then when it looks like I have the part the way I want it, then I take it back, and as you can see, yeah, I'm happy with my edges. I think they're kind of slicked back as much as I want them to be, but I will add a little bit more of the spray to my edges to make them just a little bit more sleeker. And then I take this brush. It's not a Demon brush. It's actually, these bristles are actually a little bit too hard for my hair. I just ordered me a Demon brush off of Amazon, so it's a little bit more gentle on my hair than this brush is. So I'm actually waiting to get that from Amazon, but you can use whatever brush you want to use. You can use like the little brushes. They have little brushes like for your edges that you can use, but this does the trick for me. But like I said, it is a little bit too harsh for my hair, or actually for anybody's hair. This is pretty harsh. So anyway, so actually after I got kind of my edges and everything slicked back, then I take my hair and start to put it in a ponytail and just make sure it's nice and flat. There are no lumps and no bumps. So I just kind of feel over my hair to kind of make sure there aren't any pieces of hair that are like sticking up. You know how when you comb it, sometimes you can have like lumps or something like sticking up. So I just kind of go like that and kind of feel for any, like I said, lumps or bumps. And then I kind of figure out where I want my ponytail to kind of lay. Sometimes I want it really low, sometimes I want it just, you know, a little bit high, but I think this is about as high as I'm gonna get it. So then I just take a little hair tie here, or yeah, like a little elastic, and then I put it in a ponytail. And I make it pretty super tight, although my hair will not come out of this, but I do try to make it really tight, just so that, yeah, my hair is nice and sleek. And as you can see, it's nice and slick, and you know, my edges are nice and sleek. They're slick enough for me where I don't think I need any, like I said, hair gel, just because it just makes it too, I don't know, I just don't like to make it look too like slick down. I don't know, to me it looks slick down enough just based off of putting, you know, my leave-in conditioner in. So all right, so it is to my liking. It's as low as I want it to be. So now I start working on creating the bun. All right, now typically what I was doing with my buns is just kind of wrapping it around, but here lately what I've been doing is actually braiding it and then wrapping it. So you can kind of, I switch it up a lot. So today I'm just going to braid it and then I'm gonna wrap it around. So when I say braid it, I mean like a 2-strand twist. So I'm gonna do that. I don't know if you can see, but I'm just gonna twist it, like I said, in a 2-strand twist. Like so. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, I have it like in a 2-strand twist, and then I wrap it around. So just being careful that it doesn't unravel. So I just kind of wrap it around like so, and just make sure, you know, your kitchen back there is nice and straight. But like I said, I just got my hair relaxed, so I'm not worried about that. All right, so then once I have it kind of the way I want it, as you can see, then I take my another elastic and secure it, and voila, we have a low sleek bun. And that is it. That is literally it, y'all. Like, what, 5 minutes to do? And it helps that it helps like keep my hair in place and like flyaways and things like that when you put the oil in it, because just kind of, you know, kind of makes everything just kind of lay down. In my opinion, that works. Or, you know, to add like some sort of liquid to it to kind of keep it in place. To me that helps better than adding any kind of gel. Plus it doesn't make your hair really stiff. And yeah, so I'll show you guys. And that is literally it. That is how I do my signature bun. It's not a whole lot of products that I use. Not a whole lot of anything that I use to keep it secure. I don't use any bobby pins or anything, and it typically will stay all day and looks nice and sleek. So that is it. That is how I get my signature low bun, sleek low bun. So all right, if you have any questions or any, you know, comments, just leave them down below. I will link the products that I use down below in case you want to check them out and use them for yourself. But that is it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video and you want to see more like little hair tutorials like this, because typically I don't do a lot with my hair. At least I haven't been since COVID. So I just typically put my hair in a bun because, you know, we're not really going a whole lot of places right now, right? So, but if you want to see how I curl my hair, anything like that, or like a, you know, an updo, just let me know and I will try to make that happen. So thank you guys so much for watching again, and I will see you guys in my next video. All right, bye guys.